When technology isn't working seamlessly, it costs more than money. It costs productivity, customer experience, and competitive advantage. That's where Best Buy Business comes in. We are the Best Buy you know and trust, now built for business. Your organization needs more than tech procurement. You need a technology partner. At Best Buy Business, we help you move from strategy to execution and beyond. With deep technical expertise, a nationwide retail footprint, and powerful vendor partnerships, we deliver end-to-end solutions at scale, backed by flexible purchasing and support models that adapt as your business evolves. We support organizations across education, enterprise, healthcare, hospitality, home building, incentive programs, SMB, and more. Driven by a dedicated team of thousands of engineers, account managers, project managers, service agents, and support professionals ready to scale with you. We manage the details so your team can stay focused on what matters most, your organization's growth. From complex multi-site installations and device lifecycle management programs to full-scale rollouts, integration, and ongoing support, we handle the logistics, configuration, installation, maintenance, and responsible recycling at the end of life, delivering clear communication, on-time execution, and solutions built to grow with you. And for organizations that need speed and simplicity, we offer robust eProcurement and eCommerce solutions, integrating with your purchasing systems so you can shop, click, and ship where and when you need it. Whether you need fully managed solutions or streamlined purchasing for everyday business needs, we make technology easy. Because when your technology works for you, your business performs better. Your success is our business. Visit bestbuy.com/business to get started and discover how Best Buy Business can power your next project.